My mom duck, so I cover it with a Raider hood. I'm from the city that made you afraid of show. Make my rap play for good. Never made her happy, but I bet that new Mercedes ain't one. But came to save the hood. Took so many of my that I should hate the hood. But it's real.
Oh, nighttime metering, son. Our boy Nyeem's leaving for Iraq. Say what up, Nyeem?
What up, what up, what up?
And I ended up pulling it out, no problem.
Let's see if we can't get some numbers out here tonight before the cops come. Tell me when you're ready.
Lobby for 1,200 watts, but his shit fucking hits. Definitely.
Good? Got all the trauma setters out here. Yo, why you lying, motherfucker?
I was home getting dressed.
Every time, yeah, when you get out around me, you throw that to the side. I get every time,
I need some money for it.
I'll show you where I'm at my new mid-amp. Right in there.
I want to.
Yo, pop it up. Open the door. I want to see some subbies.
60. I don't want to test.
Oh, shit. There you go, Big Bill.
That's what you gonna want in your first car.
Yo, let me see the buckle. Yeah. Let me see the rings. Show these boys your rings. One of them's mine. I let them borrow it.